welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Hailstones destroys crops in Nongrim Bambathong village. Meghalaya leads the way. CM unveils vision for biodegradable in national games. Alpha English School gets new basketball court, honors achievers. And CM Samla distributes cricket kits, announces development projects in Samla. And now the news in detail. Over 30 households in Nongrim Bambathong, West Jaintia Hills, lost their crops due to an unexpected hailstone. Crops like tomatoes, French beans, salads and other vegetables were destroyed. YH Ba Bishar Bha Khandriam stated that village authorities have collected reports and farmer documents to submit to the Agriculture Department. However, farmers without Aadhaar cards remain ineligible for government aid. The Hill Farmers Union General Secretary Ba Alphon Bert Kharsinteu urged authorities to ensure timely government assistance, highlighting delays in past years. He appealed for immediate help, saying the affected farmers are now in despair. The community hopes the government will act swiftly to address this agricultural crisis.
Ngadan menta hangni hapo kasnong Nongrim Bambathong haringkat ba irang basnong ni hoj menta kasengi ni adan ya ka program bangi celebrate ya ka 33 foundation day jong Sama Union te hendrei haka question awa ka ba kinongrap ki ya kali jengkeli na ki officer ki bawan na ki department baper kila pentip ba kadon kene ka jing shop kriya haka ne kasnong haka sitarik ubnai me te ni skosi ban yatho ba haka ne ka jing sha shop kriya kidan kinong rap kiba laipau tamngut ei kibala sakta kanika jing shop priya ndai habangi tuat jingmut na irang ba snong yathu ba ka jing e kadai ba kinong rap kimdon yau Aadhaar kata kadai ka wei ka jing e ka baningkong bat ka baar bade kadai ka ba kinong rap ki claim apply namar ba kadan ka jing no mensim namar ba habaro ki tu kisnam ki bagi ju sakta ha ka bedai bat ka jing slei ka jing pra kiniki khetkti nangta ka jing sha shop priya te hadu menta na usnam arhajar arpoi rekam don kanu ka jingirap kaba kinong rap kiyo hadu menta te ngi na kaliang joka Hill Sama Union ya ngi sngo ban panpaw ya kane ngi dap ka jing susi bat hakabere ba kane ka jingjia na kapor ngi jupen sngo sa sarkar ban pen speed ane ban pen kloy ya kane ka jingirap sa kinong rap te hadu menta ngi sngo ya ka juk ka Khubor kaba jia hakane ka snong ru ba kinong rap kimjuyo ya kane ka jingirap te sakawai ro ka jing sokhya na kaliang ka jungi kalong ba kamtam kitu kinong rap kiba hoj kumbalai thu irang ba snong ba kani ka jing pulut hangne kalakta ya kumba silak sanpho bat kot chaka silak prapo hajar ei hapo arlak te kadai ka jing nong kinong rap nadu ka baipo ka baidan ka bai sembai nangta ka bai penbit penbiang ya kani kading kha te namar ba ka jing penjular kumni ka jong kamariang te ka kta bai kinong rap tengi nakaliang jog Hill Sama Union ngi pha ikani ka Khubor sa sarkar ba lingba ka disaster management hoj ngi sukumen ba manakane nakaliang chief minister ulashim ka jingkit kli teladi bot lopolong ya ka kabinet nakabenta ban yamir jengmut halor kanika ban long ready nakabenta kanika jingjia jong ka jingpencot sa kami mariang te nakaliang jog Hill Sama Union ngi kwa ba ka sarkar bat lingba ka office na po DC ba kidai ban penkloy ya kanika jingyarap sa paranong rap kenang bakan long ka jing mentoy hendrei lada ka sarkar ka penslam kombat ju penslam hagi por baro ngasngo ka penduk mensim ikinong rap khamtam ki bon jia kum kini kijing jia te nakaliang jongi kum ke Hill Sama Union ngalai karan bi rang masnong bangin sabudin ya kanika file bat ngit scam ba ka sarkar kan yatre kat bat ngi kenang bangila ban ai kijing rap saki paranong rap.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced that the upcoming 39th National Games in Meghalaya will be entirely plastic-free, aiming for a biodegradable event. During a visit to Nongpur Government LP School, he inspected toilets built from single-use plastic waste under the Super Campaign 2024, a collaboration led by My Meghalaya, My Pride, Green Ammo and the Education Department. Samla unveiled a 1,890 crore investment plan for a factory to produce compostable starch-based bags and bottles, reinforcing the state's push toward sustainability. He emphasized a phased approach to banning plastic, urging community participation. Innovator Nicholas Karkamni showcased eco-toilets made from recycled plastic, earning praise for combining waste management with health solutions. The Chief Minister also committed to providing musical instruments for the school. The event was attended by government officials and educators, marking a significant step in Meghalaya's journey toward environmental responsibility and sustainable development. Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpor received a new basketball court on May 14th, funded through the SRWP scheme at a cost of 5 lakh. The court was donated by MLA Ba Mirabons Aim, who officially inaugurated it and declared it open for play. The event saw the presence of Lal Chandami Marak from Umling Block, Principal W.K. Bla, parents and students. Outstanding students from SSLC and HSSLC exams were felicitated with mementos and cash prizes for their achievements in the MBOS results. A special highlight was the unveiling of the trophy and basket for the upcoming SS Bla Memorial Basketball Championship held in memory of a respected late teacher of the school.
Student with free education. This is one of the good initiatives that you have taken. We congratulate the school management. Keep it up. Hats off to this initiative. At the same time, to those students who have had this opportunity, this privilege. But the government is with the people of the state as much as it can to ensure that different facilities is being provided at different levels. Financial assistance, grant and aid, salaries of the teachers, infrastructure to the school. I'm not wrong to say in the past also, Alpha English Higher Secondary School have received various financial assistance from the government. But that will not be enough without the dedication, the hard work, and the facilities that yourself as management that you have contributed toward this beautiful institution that has been created in this beautiful town. Despite of all the challenges, we are here today to ensure that the future of all the students who are here, they will see the light of the days in days to come. Properly with parents, there are certain instances that I have come across. There are students who jungi kibom nang ban buram, dia gikimi gikpa. Kibom nang ban buram, dia ginong hikai. Kibom nang ban buram, dia gipahalon. Namong babarok kilong mukaem. Kakto ni gidan. Kibom nang ban buram. They don't know how to respect others. They don't know how to recognize. They don't know how to acknowledge whatever the parents, the teachers, the guardian, they have done for them. Iklet no. Ye gijing le bhai, interest tom, ye gijing led la de. Jong, tinong sumar yengi. Kila bende kimi kipa, kila bende ki bahayang ki bahasem ki lam di kinong hikai nak school bayi sumah ban mau bagi di benang ban buram yang ki jingle ha jong ki kini pa jong ki nak hikai jong ngalai i jong ki khmat ki don ki khna sang na ka dau bagi kini pa.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma made his first visit to Sunmere village, where he distributed cricket kits to 5 local teams, Sunmere, Saumere, cricket team, Mauklot and Umlinka, during an event organized by the Sunmere Sports, Social and Cultural Club. The gesture stemmed from a chance meeting with young cricketers during a trek, inspiring the CM to support their passion for the sport. In his speech, Sangma emphasized empowering youth through sports and music, expressing joy in seeing their enthusiasm. He also announced the sanctioning of a PA system, financial aid for the club, and support for a community hall and water reservoir. Political Secretary Daniel Thankyou lauded the Chief Minister's grassroots approach and recent support for mission-run hospitals. Community leaders, Dorbarshnong members and residents attended the event, which underscored the government's commitment to youth development and rural progress. Viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.